AY and his friends party and celebrate his new achievement in style. My correct people dem no be small thing o. AY don open in house. Yes, so he don renovate the house, open am back. When the house been burn, we were here to report. Now he don renovate the house. I don come back to come share the testimony. My correct people dem, e no dey easy o. E no dey easy at all for person to face wetin AY face for this kind hard time. But to the glory of God, AY is back to his feet. Una remember now, see the video here. When we see video online, say AY house dey burn. Na so neighbors dey shout, AY house dey burn o, AY house dey burn o. AY himself and him family, they no dey Nigeria. Small time, him brother na him dey come go. Omo, everywhere don burn finish o. Everything burn down to ashes. Pure ashes. Nothing wey dey for this house wey dey useful again. Una dey see? Una dey see? This kind fire burn everything. Now AY is back again on his feet. My correct people dem. AY is back. To God be the glory. Legit even report am. Say big man doings, a clip of comedian AY celebrating with some big boys at his renovated mansion gutted fire last year is trending online. Na real big man doings, so no be small big man doings. If you no be big man, you know if you run am now. Another blog still say AY comedian buy 1 billion naira Ikoyi mansion as Joe Zaza and other billionaires celebrate. That is him buy another mansion. Which one we go hear now? Which one we go hear? He don renovate him house, abi he don buy mansion. What are we gonna hear? Yeah, Nigeria, my country people. Well, whether I buy you or you renovate you, no one dey easy. No one dey easy, my correct people them. All right, we will touchlight the face here.
I like people. You don't make a mess really. They do.
No, like I know. Soft. Nine. AY, leave this fight. Don't go win you. AY, leave this fight. I can never touch bottom. Well, I don't want to talk about his age. You know, his age is. It's a lie. I swear.
You deserve your 18. You deserve your 18.
Ini jalan. Jehovah Jayama.
why no be small thing o. Now wey you celebrate your appointment now na new house. Wow, congratulations my correct people dem, no be small thing o. I just dey happy dey celebrate. I hope you are not preparing your wife with all this achievement. No be small thing o. Mom be say if na you dey at fault, go and beg o. There is nothing outside o. We outside, nothing dey o. And if the wife too, you know say na you dey at fault, make una settle. Nothing dey outside. For years una dey together, dey manage una sef. Na now wey Baba God wan begin to dey baptize una with blessing upon blessing, na im una wan come dey give up on each other. Well, my correct people dem, I no even know the main thing wey actually shele, because some kind people problem, if you hear them, you no go even get any word of encouragement to give them than to encourage them to separate. Alright, so make we see wetin people dey talk for the comment section. First person say, congrats to him, he really worked hard for it. Second say, it's good to be a solid man. God will not fail us. The third say, congratulations. The fourth say, Odogu, I thank God for him. Congratulations, my dear. Next person say, congratulations. Last person say, nice edifice. Congratulations to AY. Omo, e no dey easy at all. Person wey house just born, whether I buy you, whether I renovate you, him himself no talk. The only thing there be say e dey for fine house and he do party. Congratulations to him. I'm sure say sooner or later we go know wetin actually sup. My correct people dem, me like this, I wan drop Michael Okon. Una thank you so super much for watching. Una continue to dey stay beautiful. Una bye.